The resurgence of corner wooden shelves in contemporary home decor marks a fascinating evolution in interior design that reflects both practicality and aesthetic appeal. As homes increasingly embrace minimalist and functional designs, corner shelves have emerged as a stylish solution for maximizing space while adding character to living environments. This trend is not merely about utility. It symbolizes a broader movement towards personalization, sustainability, and the celebration of craftsmanship. Hello again! If you love woodworking and decor, today's wood project ideas is going to blow your mind. Today we will show you a collection of corner wooden shelves design ideas in contemporary home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. At the heart of this resurgence is the desire for efficient use of space. As urban living spaces become more compact, homeowners and renters alike are constantly seeking innovative ways to maximize their square footage. Corner wooden shelves offer a unique solution to this challenge by utilizing often overlooked areas of a room. By transforming empty corners into functional storage or display spaces, these shelves help create a sense of organization without sacrificing style. This practical aspect resonates deeply with contemporary consumers who value both aesthetics and functionality in their home decor. Moreover, the appeal of corner wooden shelves extends beyond mere space saving. They provide an opportunity for personal expression in home design. With a wide variety of wood types, finishes, and designs available, individuals can select shelves that reflect their unique tastes and complement their existing decor. Whether it's a rustic reclaimed wood shelf that adds warmth to a modern setting or a sleek, minimalist design that emphasizes clean lines, corner shelves can be tailored to fit a diverse range of interior styles. This customization fosters a deeper connection between the homeowner and their living space, as each shelf becomes a reflection of personal style and identity. The craftsmanship involved in creating wooden corner shelves also plays a significant role in their resurgence. As consumers become more conscious of the quality of the items they bring into their homes, there is a growing appreciation for handmade and artisanal products. Handcrafted wooden shelves often showcase exceptional attention to detail and artistry, making them not just functional pieces, but also works of art. This emphasis on craftsmanship aligns with a broader trend in home decor that values unique, high-quality items over mass-produced goods. By choosing wooden corner shelves, individuals support artisans and local businesses, contributing to a culture that prioritizes sustainability and ethical production practices. Sustainability is another key factor driving the popularity of wooden corner shelves. As people become increasingly aware of environmental issues, there is a notable shift towards eco-friendly materials and practices in home decor. Wood, when sourced responsibly, is a renewable resource that can have a lower environmental impact compared to synthetic alternatives. Many artisans and manufacturers emphasize sustainable forestry practices, ensuring that the wood used for corner shelves is harvested in a way that minimizes ecological harm. This commitment to sustainability resonates with consumers who seek to make more responsible choices in their purchasing decisions, allowing them to create beautiful spaces without compromising their values. In addition to sustainability, corner wooden shelves contribute to the overall ambience of a room. The warmth and texture of wood add a natural element that can soften the look of a space, creating a more inviting atmosphere. This is particularly important in contemporary design, where the use of cold materials like metal and glass can sometimes lead to a sterile feel. By incorporating wooden shelves, homeowners can introduce an organic touch that enhances comfort and livability. The visual appeal of wood, combined with its tactile qualities, creates a sensory experience that enriches the home environment. Dear viewers, are enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The versatility of corner wooden shelves is also noteworthy. They can serve multiple purposes, adapting to the needs of different spaces. In a living room, they can display books, plants, or decorative items, adding personality and warmth to the decor. In a kitchen, corner shelves can hold spices, cookbooks, or even small appliances, making them both functional and visually appealing. This adaptability allows homeowners to experiment with their decor, rearranging and repurposing the shelves as needed to suit changing tastes or lifestyles. As a result, corner wooden shelves become dynamic elements that evolve alongside the home. Furthermore, the resurgence of corner wooden shelves aligns with the growing trend of DIY and home improvement projects. Many individuals are taking pride in creating their own home decor, and corner shelves provide an accessible entry point for those looking to engage in woodworking or crafting. With a variety of tutorials and resources available online, aspiring artisans can learn how to build or customize their own shelves, fostering a sense of accomplishment and creativity. This hands-on approach not only enhances the personal connection to the item, but also encourages a culture of making, where individuals take ownership of their living spaces. The impact of corner wooden shelves on contemporary home decor extends beyond individual homes. It contributes to a larger cultural shift in how we perceive and interact with our environments. As more people prioritize functionality, sustainability, and personalization, the demand for thoughtful design solutions continues to grow. Corner shelves serve as a tangible representation of this shift, embodying the principles of modern living that embrace both practicality and style. In the context of interior design, the resurgence of corner wooden shelves also reflects a move away from traditional, bulky furniture that can overwhelm a space. As consumers increasingly gravitate towards open floor plans and airy layouts, the lightweight and unobtrusive nature of corner shelves becomes particularly appealing. They provide essential storage and display capabilities without crowding the room, allowing for a more open and spacious feel. This minimalist approach aligns with the principles of contemporary design, where less is often more, and every piece serves a purpose. Moreover, the resurgence of corner wooden shelves signifies a greater appreciation for the stories and histories behind the materials we use in our homes. Each piece of wood carries its own narrative, from the tree it came from to the craftsmanship involved in its transformation. This connection to the material world encourages a reflection on our relationship with nature and the importance of preserving our environment. By incorporating wooden pieces into their decor, individuals are reminded of the beauty and fragility of the world around them, fostering a deeper appreciation for the natural elements that enhance our lives. In the resurgence of corner wooden shelves in contemporary home decor illustrates a multifaceted trend that embraces practicality, personalization, sustainability, and craftsmanship. As consumers seek innovative ways to enhance their living spaces, corner shelves emerge as a versatile solution that meets both functional and aesthetic needs. By celebrating the beauty of wood and the artistry of handmade items, individuals can create environments that reflect their values and styles. This trend not only enriches individual homes, but also contributes to a broader cultural movement that prioritizes thoughtful design, sustainability, and a deeper connection to the materials that shape our lives. As we continue to navigate the complexities of modern living, corner wooden shelves stand as a testament to the enduring appeal of simplicity, functionality, and craftsmanship in contemporary home decor. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked corner wooden shelves design ideas in contemporary home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.